In this video, let's talk about is it safe to run 5mm wheel spacers on your Mercedes? Wheel spacers are a kind of safe and reliable wheel accessory. As long as you install them correctly, they will not cause any problems. They are effective when your wheel offset is not ideal for the final effect that you want. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This melt has good mechanical properties compared with industrial standards. In contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.